morning from beautiful Seoul, South Korea, you guys.
It is the sunniest day.
Yeah, as you can tell.
We have ever been here for. It's crazy.
We have a beautiful day planned, but first, of course, we need to go get ourselves a cup of coffee. You know we always need a cup of coffee before anything else. And we have a really exciting spot that we're taking you guys with us for this morning. Last week we went to an art show from one of our subscribers. His name is Jay. He invited us. We were so blown away by it that we decided we needed to show you guys here on the vlog. And the venue that they hold this art show in actually has coffee as well.
Yes.
So it's perfect. It's a 2-in-1.
Yes.
We can show you this thing and we can get a coffee. There it is.
Yes.
The original. So this spot is called The Square, and it's a super cool venue for this kind of thing.
The coffee's so good.
Yeah, you're already halfway done.
It's so good.
I didn't get a cheers.
I drink iced coffee so fast.
What we love about Jay's art show is his story. It's so unique.
He's the coolest.
Yeah, he's lived such an interesting life, and you can see it in the art that he makes.
Yeah.
We just love creative people who are constantly just trying and going after their dreams, you know? And we're so inspired by a lot of you guys.
Yes, we have so many creative, amazing subscribers.
We've met several of you actually recently that have just been blowing us away with your creativity.
Yeah.
We just went out to dinner with Nicole Ann, one of our subscribers we met here.
She's a singer. We listen to her song and it's so beautiful.
Oh my gosh. I mean, we want to just plug all of your stuff, everybody's stuff.
Yes.
But anyways, we're getting carried away. You guys are amazing and we're so grateful to be able to connect with people like you.
We really are.
The internet is so crazy like that.
I know. It's so cool.
Oh my god. She's getting emotional.
It's the coolest thing ever.
It is.
I love it so much.
But anyways, let's show you this freaking art show.
It's amazing.
It's amazing. Check this out. We love Jay.
He really is like the coolest person ever.
And he's so kind. That's the most important thing. He's just so kind.
He's
unbelievable.
So kind and generous and amazing.
Yeah. So Jay, if you're watching this, as well as Sherry, his amazing partner who we also met, we love you guys.
We do.
But anyways, we had to leave because we have some exciting plans and we're getting hungry.
Yeah.
Which is perfect because the plans are we are doing a cooking class, a Korean cooking class.
Yeah, we're putting our skills to the test today.
Oh yeah, So I'm excited. It's gonna be some yummy food and we're gonna learn something.
We have been so excited about this cooking class because we actually booked it on GetYourGuide, and if you've been a part of this channel, then you know how much we love GetYourGuide experiences. So we are super happy to say that they are actually the sponsor of today's video. GetYourGuide is actually the leading online place to discover and book unforgettable experiences. With more than 110,000 curated things to do in 150 countries, here we are actually suiting up to cook some traditional Korean dishes. And here is our teacher, Jennifer, who taught us so much about Korean cuisine. You guys know how much we love trying out local cuisine anywhere we travel to. So getting to learn how to actually make Korean food from a professional chef who was born and raised here in Seoul was a no-brainer for us. class. All we had to do to find it was look at the top rated experiences in Seoul on the Get Your Guide app, and this cooking class had the most amazing reviews, so we booked it for our desired date within just a few clicks. And just like that, we were good to go. No physical tickets required. Everything was right there on our phones. And one big thing that we specifically love about Get Your Guide is the flexibility. We changed the date and time of this activity free of charge twice because our schedule just kept changing. Not to mention that everything booked on Get Your Guide has a free cancellation up to 24 hours before, which definitely has come in handy for us. This part of the experience was so fun. Jennifer encouraged us to plate our gimbap in a creative way, and so we got really fun with it, and it was looking so cute. So we took photos in the photo spot that she had set up, and it was so much fun. If you'd like to book this experience for yourself, we highly recommend it. Just use the link in our description or scan the QR code on the screen to do so. Now let's go walk off all of that delicious food.
We are here in a market called Gwangjang Market, and I don't know if it's the biggest one in Seoul. I will verify on screen.
Yeah.
But it is massive.
Yeah, it keeps going.
Yeah, I mean, it's insane. And you guys heavily recommended it to us. We're looking to try some more traditional Korean food. Maybe compare it to what we made today.
Yes, like tteokbokki.
Yes, we need to do that. We need to get some gimbap. We need to try everything. There's so many different smells and noises and things going on. I love it. It's very like, I feel like I'm in the thick of it, you know what I mean?
Yeah, it really feels like authentic here,
yes.
Which is so nice.
I don't know what to try first.
I know.
Oh my gosh. 감사합니다.
Oh, beautiful lady.
감사합니다.
Wow.
I keep seeing the Netflix logo, so I think that this must have been included in like a best street food in Seoul or something on Netflix. Somebody verify, please.
Yes.
What is this?
We should get these two.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I definitely want to try the one with the dumplings in it, so that's the one I want.
Okay, I'll get that one.
Okay. 감사합니다.
I'm so hungry.
This looks insane. These noodles,
It looks so
I don't know how to explain how good they look. I saw the pile of the fresh dough to make it, so they make it right here. Cheers, baby.
I've almost eaten it so good. Wow. That's so good. Oh my god. It's so fresh.
This is the perfect first stop. Look at this. You see that?
And the kimchi?
Really? Oh,
So
there's a
good.
whole bucket of kimchi right here.
Yeah.
And the lady has already noticed she's going to have to keep refilling Rylan's kimchi. 'Cause one thing about Rylan, she'll eat a tub of kimchi.
I love it.
That is so crazy.
That's crazy.
Would you eat a live octopus?
No.
Oh, I want that one.
That's the one.
We need that one. Let's take a seat.
Two. Do you want to get kimbap too?
Oh yeah, please.
Yes, please. 감사합니다.
Oh.
감사합니다. 참 got it.
감사합니다.
감사합니다.
Gimbap first.
Yes.
You have to tell me how it compares to what we made.
Okay. It's really good.
Really? I haven't been able to get this one out of my mind since we had it today. They're the best. Way better than what we made. Way better than what we made. Are you serious? Oh my gosh.
Pastéis de Belém.
You know we need to end on a dessert before we can consider ourselves done. 감사합니다. You ready?
Yes.
Same time?
Same time.
Cheers. We have to cheers somehow.
Cheers.
Ah! I can't do it. Oh no, it's okay. It's okay. Oh. Thank you. Look here.
감사합니다.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you
you.
so much. Oh, you're so sweet.
Oh my gosh.
That was the sweetest thing ever.
I didn't know how to say we didn't need that, but oh my god, I'm crying because it was too cute. Everything in there was so good. Thank you guys for the recommendation. I loved that market. One of my favorites.
We're going back.
Oh yeah, we will. We have to head out now because we have reservations for something we've been super excited about, which is a soju tasting.
Yes.
So we're gonna get a little tipsy, huh? Let's go.
In Korea, you always pour for the other people around you with 2 hands. And when you're receiving that, you always also have to use 2 hands to receive it.
Let's talk to you.
Oh, takju?
Hongdae. We always have to.
So good.
This one's really good.
That's really good.
Yes, this is makgeolli, yes. So when I jiggle it, you see the bubbles.
Wow.
And it's becoming alcoholic every second. So very simple. I mean, in the pot, pour Changdeokgung we just drank. And put this on top and we start boiling it. So when hot alcohol steam hits the cold ceiling, they condense and they drip down here.
It's like Breaking Bad.
I know. I love it. That's exactly what I thought
I
of.
know. We've been watching Breaking Bad lately, so this is really bringing us there.
Well, let's find out. Come back.
감사합니다.
Oh, it means dry glass.
Oh yeah, that one jumped up.
Yeah, that one is strong.
In China, they say ganbei. We say ganbei, and Japanese say ganbai.
Kanpai.
They all mean dry glass. Most Koreans will not know what ganbei means because we don't use Chinese anymore. We're saying it because we've been saying it, but no one really knows what it means anymore. There it is. Ganbei.